Imagine you started investing back in 1985. The journey wouldn't be straight up. It would be a wild ride through history. You'd face crashes, panics, and recessions. But what if you had the mindset to stay calm and stay invested through it all? First, build your safety net. An emergency fund protects you from life surprises so you can avoid selling when the market is down. Then take the first step. Opening an investment account is the beginning of your path to long-term wealth. Use tax-advantaged accounts to keep more of your money. This powerful tool supercharges your ability to grow wealth faster. Invest in the world's leading companies through index funds like the S&P 500. Diversification reduces risk and builds more stable, long-term returns. Automate your investments. Consistently contributing small amounts over time is a powerful habit that works for decades. This is the magic of compound interest. Your money grows on itself, accelerating your wealth as the years pass. Result, the freedom to live on your own terms. It all starts with discipline and patience today.